In this video, I'll guide you through how to save your Webex meeting recordings. Whether you need to review a past meeting, share it with colleagues, or keep it for future reference, saving your recordings is a crucial skill. Let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, open your web browser and navigate to webex.com. This is the main hub for all your Webex activities, so make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the website, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Meetings tab. This will bring up a list of your scheduled meetings, along with any you've hosted or attended recently. It's a great way to keep track of your meeting history. Next, find the meeting you want to save and click Start. If you haven't initiated it yet, you'll want to do this to access the recording options. When you're ready, click Start Meeting. This will open your meeting room and you'll be all set to begin recording. Now, direct your attention to the top of your browser. Here in the extension section, you should see an option labeled Meeting Recording. Click on it to access the recording menu. This is an essential feature that allows you to capture both audio and visual aspects of your meeting. Once you've opened the recording menu, choose Audio and Video. This ensures that all participants' voices, as well as any shared screens or presentations, are recorded. It's important to select this option to avoid missing any crucial parts of the meeting. After your meeting is underway and you've recorded everything you need, it's time to wrap things up. To stop the recording, simply click Stop. It's as straightforward as that. This action concludes the recording process and prepares your file for download. The final step is perhaps the simplest. Once you've stopped the recording, it will automatically download to your computer. There's no need to search for it on the Webex platform or worry about losing it in the cloud. Just check your default download folder and you'll find your meeting recording ready for you. And there you have it, a clear and easy way to save your Webex meeting recordings. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your important discussions and presentations are saved for future use. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital meetings. Thanks for watching and happy recording.